Hello everyone, we are Team Code Mitra. Today we are presenting our project Groundwise Real-Time Groundwater Monitoring. Our story begins with one of India's most urgent challenges, the groundwater crisis. India is facing severe groundwater crisis. More than 16% of districts are at the risk of groundwater depletion. The biggest issue is not just scarcity but also the way data is handled. Thousands of DWLR stations are collecting data every day, but the data remains fragmented, stretched, and unutilized. Farmers do not get real-time insight, so they often over-extract. Policymakers do not have accurate dashboard, which weakness their planning. Research too struggles with fragmented data. This is why we say data is being collected, but the decisions are left thirsty. Our solution is a centralized web platform that integrates DWLR data, IoT sensor, and rainfall datasets. On this platform, user will get real-time dashboard and heat map, AI-driven forecast of groundwater levels, and simple alert via SMS or mobile app. The platform supports farmer, policymaker, and researcher with tailored insight for each. And most importantly, it is farmer friendly with alert available in local language. Technical approach. On the technical side, we have designed a modern and scalable system. In front end, white with Tailwind CSS for fast, PWA, Mapbox for maps, and research chart for graphs. In backend, Python Fast API with GraphQL APIs for data pipelines, cleaning and research estimations. In database, Timescale DB with PostGIS for time series and spatial analysis. In data sources, DWLR, telemetry, rainfall, datasets, and statics inputs, notification, SMS, gateway, and WhatsApp API, deployment, Verkle and Render for quick deployment, monitoring, Grafana and Prometheus. These stacks ensure real-time performance, scalability, and reliability. Feasibility and viability. Our solution is technically feasible because it is leverage existing DWLR infrastructures with proven cloud and AI tools. It is low-cost, web-based, and can scale nationwide. Adoption for farmer is easy. They simply receive SMS in their local language. Risks like government integration, data accuracy, and cybersecurity are addressed through validation, encryptions, and trusted partnership. Impacts and benefits. If implemented, Groundwise will create measurable impact. Farmer will have groundwater forecast for better irrigation planning. Policymaker will get data-driven insight for planning and investigations. Research will assess granular data sets for studies. Communities will benefit from stronger water security and drought reliances. Additional benefits include preventing over extractions, real-time monitoring at low cost, promoting sustainability and climate reliance, and linking water-saving practice to carbon creating incomes opportunity for farmers. In conclusion, groundwater is not just a project. It is a necessity. We have already built a working prototype tested with Barodara DWLR data and it is ready for demo. Our asking is mentorship and access to large datasets so that we can scale this solution for a pilot to our nationwide platform.